Cultivator. Cultivator is a primary tillage implement used to prepare soil for planting crops. It typically consists of tines that break up soil, removing weeds and loosening the ground to create a suitable seedbed. The main function of the field cultivator is to prepare a proper seedbed for the crop to be planted into to bury crop residue in the soil. Cultivator installation. To install the cultivator at customer end, we need to perform below major tasks. Complete implement assembly. Implement attachment with tractor. Settings and adjustments. Field operation. Inspection and maintenance. In this video, we will understand how to replace cultivator shovel. Remove the nuts of shovel with 17 mm spanner. Place the longer length bolt on the top and small bolt in bottom hole for the fitment of the new shovel. Tight the nut with 17 mm spanner, torque it in 49 Nm. We hope this information will be useful for you. To get more information or for service support, contact your nearest Mahindra dealership. Our Mahindra officials are always ready to provide you service support. For information about other problems, you can watch our other videos. To watch more DIY videos, kindly subscribe our Mahindra Farm Machinery YouTube channel.